At Google I/O 2025, the tech giant unveiled its latest innovation, Google Veo 3. A powerful AI-driven video creation model, capable of generating synchronized audio and visuals from a single prompt. While Veo 3 represents a breakthrough in content production, it has raised concerns among professionals and the creative community about its potential impact on the industry. The power of Google Veo 3. What sets it apart? Google Veo 3 is a game-changer in AI-driven video creation. Unlike previous AI video tools, which typically focus on generating either visuals or audio, Veo 3 excels at creating both simultaneously. This allows users to input a text description or command and receive a fully completed video, complete with dialogue, background music, and realistic motions. The ability to create high-resolution, lifelike videos from a simple prompt has sparked excitement for its potential in both personal and professional video production. Some of the standout features of Veo 3 include real-time audio and video sync. Unlike earlier AI tools, Veo 3 can generate both sound and visuals in tandem, producing realistic and seamless content. Smooth motion and high-quality resolution. The tool offers natural, smooth motion in videos and high-resolution outputs, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals. Scene adjustment capabilities. Users can modify camera angles, build environments, and maintain consistency across videos, ensuring that characters look consistent in different settings. Veo 3 also integrates with other Google AI tools like Gemini, which translates text into video, Imagen 4 for visual reference generation, and Flow, a video creation platform. These integrations create a powerful suite of tools for generating complete video content from scratch, enhancing the creative process. Concerns from the creative community. While the technology behind Veo 3 is impressive, it has sparked concerns within the creative industry. In a press conference, Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, mentioned that Veo 3 marks the end of the silent video era. However, many artists, animators, and industry professionals worry that this technology could disrupt the creative process and result in job losses. A 2024 study by the Animation Guild predicted that by 2026, over 100,000 jobs in the U.S. film, television, and animation industries could be at risk due to AI technology. The ability to generate high-quality video content without traditional filmmaking skills poses a challenge to many professionals who rely on manual labor and expertise in the industry. Pricing and accessibility of Google Veo 3. Currently, Google Veo 3 is available to Google AI Ultra users priced at $249.99 a month, and Google AI Pro users with a free 1-month trial, then $20 a month. Veo 3 access is limited to 73 countries, excluding Vietnam, with users able to create up to 10 trial videos using Gemini. After the trial period, users must decide whether they want to invest hundreds of dollars monthly for continued use of Veo 3. For Google AI Ultra subscribers, they receive 12,500 credits per month, with each video creation consuming about 150 credits. This system allows users to experiment with the tool, but also introduces a significant cost for regular use. The future of AI in content creation. Google Veo 3 represents the next step in the evolution of AI-driven content creation, bringing both excitement and concern. While it offers powerful tools for streamlining the video production process, it also raises questions about the future of creative industries and the role of professionals. In a world where AI can generate high-quality content at the click of a button, the balance between innovation and the protection of jobs in creative fields will likely be a key issue as AI tools like Veo 3 continue to develop.